This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter renewal. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell, release the secondary catch, open the bonnet and support it with the bonnet stay. The air cleaner housing is located in front of the battery in the left-hand front corner of the engine compartment. Undo the cover retaining screws and lift the air cleaner cover, taking care not to put any strain on the intake ducting and air mass meter wiring. Withdraw the air filter element, noting how it is fitted. Use a vacuum cleaner and a cloth to clean out the housing. Fit the new air filter element and fit the cover. Tighten all of the screws.